Welcome, in front of me I have SUUNTO Vertical 2 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. So we need to wake up the screen first. To do it, press the upper button. After you wake up the screen, press and hold the middle button to open the settings. In settings, select the general option, then scroll down and look for the option called display. And once you find it, of course, tap on it to enter. In display settings, you will see brightness. Tap on it, and here we have 3 levels of brightness. We have low, medium, and high. Select the one you like by tapping on it, and then the brightness will be applied, and you can go back by swiping right on the screen like this. And that's how you change or adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.